The meaning of being alive is just being alive. That's what we're all here for.
Hope I get the chance to travel the world, but I don't have any plans. Wish that I could stay forever this young, not afraid to close my eyes. Life's a game made for everyone, and love is the prize.
Be out there, just be out there in it, you know, big mountains, rivers, sky, game, just be out there in it, you know, in the wild.
It's a mystery to me. We have agreed with which we have agreed. And you think you have to want more than you need.
But you're wrong if you think that the joy of life comes principally from human relationships. God's placed it all around us. It's in everything.